What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty and my blog is theaskking.com. Hit you with another video. In today's video, I'm doing an update of my Worthy Bonds portfolio. Now, I've got Worthy Bonds because I buy stocks and I also want to buy bonds as well to make some additional income. Worthy Bonds is perfect. You buy these bonds, they're $10 and you get a 5% flat interest rate on your money. So it's a good way to put your money into something versus putting the money in a bank or whatever. You have 5% on your return. So I'm gonna show what I have. So far I made 60 cents of interest, and you can come click the button right here. Show you the daily interest. Weekly you get weekly interest as well. So every week you get interest. Okay, so I'm not going into that because it's really hard to see on my phone. But so far I made 60 cents. I have 18 bonds, so it's $10 a bond. So I invested $180 to this portfolio. Not a lot of money. Okay, so I made 60 cents. Okay, but here's the kicker though. You see my investments here. I invested $30, $80, 20, 20, and 20. My first deposit was 50 days ago. Now, 50 days ago, it was 30 days in a month. So in a month and a half, every 2 weeks I put money into it. So out of 50 days, I've made 60 cents with $180 inside. That's amazing because at a bank, you put your money in a high yield savings account, even at 2%, you're not getting 60 cents. You might get even half that. You might get 30 cents, which is still a lot of money, but still, you're getting more bang for your buck putting into these Worthy Bonds accounts. You're getting 5% flat rate interest rate on your money. Now, has to count for a month and a half. So I haven't had it for 2 whole months. So already I made 60 cents of my money, almost $1 of my money back in interest. So to me, this is an extremely high savings account. I put my money in, I let it sit in here for whatever I need it, and then you can pull the money out whenever you want to. No penalty, no fee. You can pull your money out whenever you want to. Okay, that's interesting as well. So this app for me is for the long haul. I'm trying to keep putting money into this thing to get $400, $500, to get maybe $1,000 in here, and I'm making like $2, $3 a day. This can really make some really good money. You could imagine you have 1K in here or 2K, whatever the number is, you might get $1.50 a day. So that your money is making money for you. So this is alternative if you don't want to put your money. I don't do the bricks and mortar banks anymore because you're getting 0.1% of your money. You're getting 3 pennies. You're not getting no money back. But Worthy Bonds is a good way to invest some money, diversify your money as well. So right now, this year, I'm diversifying my money. I got money in stocks and Robinhood. I got money in bonds and Worthy Bonds. I got money in a lot of different things. Real estate investment trusts and REITs and real estate, savings accounts, whatever. I'm investing my money. Kind of want that money that I work for to work for me. And that's a true way of passive income. You want to put your money into something, buy something, or put your money into something that will make you money over time. If I invest $10 and I get back $10.10, I made some money. It's not a whole lot of money, but if I give you $10, $10, eventually I'll make $1 back. I make you 10, if I get $100 more, I'm gonna get more money back. And my money is still there. It's not you taking my money from me. My money is still there. So this is another way to get motivated, and it's another way to, to make some money. Right now, I'm averaging 37 cents a month, monthly, and it goes up. That 37 cents is a lot of money. So you could imagine if I put $500 in here, I could be averaging $1 a month, which is not a lot of money per month, but the more money you put into it, the more you get back in return. Remember, it's not a savings account. This is a you buying bonds. You're buying investments. That's what you want. You're buying assets. Whatever put money in your pocket is an asset. Whatever it is, whatever you're doing, it's an asset. So I'm buying assets. I'm not buying no more liabilities no more. I'm putting money into assets, and these are some perfect good assets. And you can invest with $10. You don't gotta put in, the YouTubers put in 400 or 500 bucks at one time. I'm not even doing that. I'm playing the slow game. Put it, every time I get paid, put 20. When I get paid, I try to put at least $40 to $50 in this account. Cause I'm getting some money back. 60 cents is a lot of money for 1.5 months of interest. That's a lot of money. So, and remember, the bank pays you once a month. They pay you once a month. So you might make 60 cents or 50 cents 1 month, but then you gotta wait a whole another 30 days to get the interest rate. I'm getting interest weekly, daily, weekly. So I love Worthy Bonds. It's a really long-term play. And you're buying assets. You're not putting your money in a savings account because you're making a little bit of money, but you're not investing the money. The money, and 5% is a high rate. That's a pretty good rate return on your money. 5%. That's more than a bank will give you. Some stocks pay 5%. Some stocks pay 3 or 1, 2 or 3 or 4%. You're getting 5%, and all you got to put in is $10, $20, $30. You can't buy 5. You got to put at least $10 in here. So you could buy bonds, you can withdraw your bonds, whatever. But after a month and a half, 60 cents, if I put more money into this, I make more money. So this is my update to Worthy Bonds app. So far, I'm loving it right now. It's a long-term play right now for this. View all transactions. This is all my transaction history right here, and it's nothing to hide. I put $180 in this account, and that's fine. I put $20 in here. I made 20, no, like 5-6 cents. It grows slowly, but to tell you the truth, you should have a portfolio. A portfolio is just like a pie. You want a pie, and you want different slices doing different things. So one of my pies is Worthy Bonds. One of my pies is blogging. I've run 2 blogs. Another pie I have is YouTube videos, YouTube channels. Another pie is buying stocks and investment and stuff like that, stocks. And you want a portfolio. You don't put all your eggs in one basket. That's always the case with any investing you're doing. The number one goal is to buy low and sell high, and diversification. You want to diversify. This Worthy Bonds is just another way to make some money that's not even hurting me. And also that if I need this money, I can pull it out whenever I want to. Now, it might take 3 or 4 days to come out, but I can at least pull the money out. And it takes about 3 to 4 days to get the money into the account. So, that's not bad neither, because this is my long-term gain. You gotta remember, I also have the Bumped app. I have the Bumped app, and every time I go to Sam's Club or go to Kroger, I get fractional shares back of my purchase back. So that's just a long-term play. That's just playing that long-term game to keep on shopping. Why you should do anyway and make some money back. So me shopping is pretty much give me fractional shares that play dividends. Okay, so this bonds, I'm still learning about investments and stuff like that, and I'm about to do a little crowdfunding or buy more stocks, dividend paying stocks. But you should be diversifying. Don't rely. And one thing I'm learning: don't rely on a job to pay all your bills. You want to have your job make you money, of course, but you want to take some of that money to build you an asset, to build you a portfolio of different types of things that can make you more money. And Worthy Bonds is just one. If you use my link below, I believe you get a free bond using my link, but I think you have to put at least $100 into the account. I'm not 100% sure, but I know you get a free bond. I get a bond for I get a bond for using my link, and you get a free bond. But this just helps me with the channel, helps me for making the video and going in depth on investments and stuff like that. So if you're freaked out about it, just throw in $20. Throw in $50. Let it sit in there for a while. You don't have to put in $400-$500 in there. I don't do that. I throw in $10-$20. Okay, it's been going good. It's giving me interest. Let's put a little more money into it. But you see here, $20 for the first 3 times just to test it out. I threw in 80. I got a little extra money. I threw a little $8 in there, and I threw in 30 more bucks. That's the way I do things. So thanks for watching my video. Any questions, comments, concerns about Worthy Bonds? email me below. I'll be glad to help you out. But right now, I'm loving the app. You should definitely download this app and start putting a little bit of money in here because you want to diversify. It's 2020, 2021. You want to diversify your money. You want to have your paycheck, but you want to put that going to savings account. You want to go into the worthy bonds. You want to go into stocks and you want to go to stocks. You want to go a little bit maybe to real estate. You want to go out and build an online business. You want to put your money in these different pies, and over time, if you don't fool with them, you keep on working on them, they can give some passive income. Okay, this is one vehicle that I had to make money. Excuse me. So this is my name. My name is Ty with AskKeen.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like the video, share the video, and I'll see you next time.